Hmm. Where is Ladakh? Hmm. Where is Jammu Kashmir? What is the capital city of Jammu Kashmir? Jammu.
Jammu.
Hmm. Next, Himachal Pradesh. Where is Himachal Pradesh?
Here.
Himachal Pradesh.
Here.
Huh. Take that. No, no, not that one. That is Arunachal Pradesh. Where is Himachal Pradesh? Himachal Pradesh, Chinamma. Green color, Himachal Pradesh. Huh. Capital city of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla.
Shimla.
Next, Punjab.
Good.
Punjab. Hmm. Okay. Next, Uttar Pradesh.
Read it.
Uttar Pradesh. Where is Uttar Pradesh?
First, this.
Okay, Rajasthan. Put Rajasthan.
First, this. Madhya Pradesh.
Capital city of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal.
Bhopal.
Next,
Next.
Gujarat.
Next.
Here, Gujarat.
Next.
That is Uttar Pradesh.
I'm doing it.
Okay. Next, Gujarat.
Here.
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. And here, then here.
Here Uttarakhand comes. Where is Haryana?
Uttarakhand.
Haryana. Next, Gujarat. Very good. Next, Maharashtra. Maharashtra.
Wait it.
Okay. Next, Karnataka.
Here. My Karnataka is favorite
State.
State.
Your favorite state is Karnataka. What is the capital city of Karnataka?
Bangalore.
Very good. Next, Andhra Pradesh.
Wait. This is Andhra Pradesh. This
Very good.
Here.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Here.
Kerala.
What is that?
You lost it.
Huh?
You misplaced it.
Miss it.
Next.
Next. What?
What comes here? Bihar.
I'll do here.
Okay. Do. Orissa. Chhattisgarh.
In here, Odisha.
Next here, Telangana.
Telangana.
Next
here.
Bihar.
Bihar. This full done. This slide full done.
Okay. Bihar. Jharkhand.
What?
Jharkhand.
This is Jharkhand.
West Bengal and Sikkim. West Bengal and Sikkim.
Here.
ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಮಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ್ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ಸಾಂ. ಅಸ್ಸಾಂ, ತ್ರಿಪುರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್
What will come?
ಮೇಘಾಲಯ.
Meghalaya.
ದೆನ್
This
ಮಣಿಪುರ್,
Manipur,
ಮಿಜೋರಾಂ,
Mizoram, Meghalaya,
ನಾಗಾಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
Nagaland.
Done. Very good. Super. Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please
Please
subscribe
subscribe
to
to
my
my
channel.
channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.